Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most famous comets in history, Halley's Comet. Halley's Comet, also known as Comet Halley or 1P/Halley, is a periodic comet that is visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years. It was first observed in ancient times and is named after the English astronomer Edmund Halley, who calculated its orbit and predicted its return in 1758. The comet's orbit takes it from beyond the orbit of Pluto, in the Kuiper belt, into the inner solar system, passing close to Earth and the Sun. The orbit of Halley's Comet is an elongated ellipse, with its closest approach to the Sun, called perihelion, at a distance of 0.586 AU, astronomical unit, and its most distant point, called aphelion, at 35.3 AU. The orbit is tilted at an angle of 162.3 degrees to the plane of the ecliptic, the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. As it approaches the Sun, the ices in the comet's nucleus sublimate, turn from solid to gas, and create a glowing coma, or fuzzy envelope of gas and dust around the nucleus. The Sun's radiation also pushes dust and gas away from the coma, creating the comet's characteristic tail. The coma can reach a diameter of up to 1 million kilometers, and the tail can extend up to 100 million kilometers. The most common gases found in the coma of Halley's Comet are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Halley's Comet has been observed and recorded throughout history, with some of the earliest known records dating back to ancient China, Greece, and Rome. The earliest known record of Halley's Comet is in Chinese annals from the year 240 BCE. In ancient Greece, the comet was known as Halley's star and was associated with the god Zeus. The ancient Romans also observed the comet, and it was noted in the Bayeux tapestry, which depicts the Norman conquest of England in 1066. Halley's Comet was observed during its last appearance in 1986, when it passed closest to Earth on April 11 of that year. This was the first time a comet had been observed in detail by spacecraft, with the European Space Agency's Giotto probe and NASA's Halley multicolor camera and International Cometary Explorer spacecraft, all making flywas of the comet. These missions revealed new information about the comet's nucleus and coma, and collected samples of the comet's dust and gas for analysis. The data gathered by the spacecraft missions showed that the nucleus of Halley's Comet is small, only about 15 kilometers in diameter and dark in color. It also revealed that the surface of the nucleus is covered in a layer of dark, soot-like material, which is thought to be the result of past outgassing. The missions also found that the coma of the comet was made up of mostly water vapor, with smaller amounts of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The next predicted return of Halley's Comet will be in 2061. However, it should be noted that the orbit of comets can be affected by the gravitational pull of other celestial bodies, such as planets, so the exact date of its return may be different from the current prediction. The gravitational pull of Jupiter, for example, can change the orbit of the comet slightly, which can cause a delay or acceleration of the comet's return. Halley's Comet is also known for its association with the Orionid meteor shower, which occurs every October and is caused by debris left behind by the comet as it passes through the inner solar system. The Orionids are known for producing fast and bright meteoroids and are considered one of the best meteor showers of the year. The meteoroids from the Orionids are small pieces of ice and dust that have broken off from the comet's nucleus and are being pushed away by the solar radiation and the solar wind. The Halley's Comet is unique in many ways. It is one of the few comets that is visible to the naked eye, and its orbit takes it close to Earth, making it an ideal target for observation and study. It is also one of the oldest known comets, with a history of observations dating back to ancient times. Additionally, it was the first comet to be recognized as a periodic comet, and its return in 1758 was used to confirm the validity of Kepler's laws of planetary motion. Over the centuries, Halley's Comet has been the subject of many myths and legends. Some cultures saw the comet as a bad omen, while others saw it as a sign of good luck or a message from the gods. Today, we know that comets are simply celestial objects made up of ice, dust, and gas, and that their appearance in the sky is simply a result of their orbit bringing them close to the sun. That's all for today's video about Halley's Comet. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating celestial object and its history of observations dating back to ancient times. As a reminder, Halley's Comet is a periodic comet that is visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years, and its next predicted return will be in 2061. It's also associated with the Orionid meteor shower, which occurs every October and is caused by debris left behind by the comet as it passes through the inner solar system. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and information on Halley's Comet and other celestial objects. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And as always, thank you for watching.